Just started recording, down to 10, trying to grab a
Oh.
dub with my boy, YFD Roadhouse. What's up?
What's up?
This is the first video. I got the volume turned up a little bit on the sound. I have a little constructive criticism from my boy. He said turn the sound up, and I did. Let's see what the sound sounds like. Test. 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 1, 2. Say something, YFD.
Hey, what's up?
Alright, let's grab this dub so I can upload it. I'm gonna upload it regardless as soon as we're done.
I'm excited to shove these 9 grenades up somebody's ass.
Oh, nice, dude. Do it.
Yeah, there's only 8 dudes left. We get a supply drop coming down right in front of us here. These guys will sneak out of their fort and go get it.
I'm gonna upload this video regardless as soon as we're done.
Cool.
Oh yeah, there's a freaking battle going on down there, dude.
Is it really?
Yeah, we're not gonna beat those guys. We should just hunker down, man. Ride the storm.
Oh, we gotta go here right now.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, that's the spot, dude.
Yeah, that's a bad
Even
spot.
like I'm sure somebody's up there, but like we gotta take it, man. You know.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it is. I got 9 grenades to flush them out.
Nice. You wanna wait on this supply drop real quick?
No. Like I think we need to get up there and get it like now.
Let's go. All we need to do is really sneak onto the corner there. Oh, they're fighting somebody. Let's just sneak up like right here on the corner, man.
Okay.
On the back.
Are there guys in there?
I don't think
There's 3
so.
teams left.
Alright, stay low, duck down, so they don't hear us coming. Don't build anything, I say we just kick it right here.
You're saying you don't think guys are in that thing right there?
Sniper rifle acquired. Medkit acquired. Half bots if you want. I don't know if they're in there or not. I'm looking, I got a sniper rifle, so let me see. I don't see anybody in there, so I don't know.
I say we take this thing.
Oh, we're gonna get hammered, dude. We're gonna get third party. Let's let the whatever teams are there. Let's let them fight. Don't take anything, man. Let those guys fight. I don't even care about the map right now. I want a third party. That's moving a little bit to this next tree.
I don't think anything. I think you're right. I don't think anyone's in here.
We're safe right here.
I just mean like when they start trying to run up, like we got them. You know what I mean?
Thought I heard something behind us.
This is it. Yeah, no one's here, dude.
All right.
This is us. Look, they're all down there. Like we fucking got these motherfuckers.
Dude, nade them, dude. Nade the fuck out of them. Watch, don't get tagged up. Here they are, right down there. There's only one team left.
Where they at? Oh yeah.
Down there, right, Mark.
Oh, they're gonna get fucking. I'm dropping all my fucking nades.
Nade those cats, dude.
Throw some gunfire if you want.
What's that?
I just said throw some gunfire. Oh yeah, I did 100 damage.
Nice.
Like, this is the fucking spot. I mean.
This one is too loud.
What was that? Easy mother. What the fuck kind of fucking grenade was that?
That's this little. He has that sniper rifle.
Motherfucker.
Do you have any
We
nades
fucking
left?
got him here. You know what I mean? No,
I hope
I
so,
threw them
dude.
all. See what you know where they're at in there? It looks like they're right in the front.
Did they bounce out of there?
No, they're in there. They're in the back one. They're back here. They're splashing up in there.
Save some ammo
Damn it,
because
dude.
we're gonna have to really light those
Yeah,
kids
I
up.
got 200.
Ooh.
Oh, dude, I fucking took his shield off. Yes.
Nice job.
Let me know what you need. I got 5 minis if you need any.
I'm reloading. I have 2 minis, 3 medkits. I'm good.
We're good, dude. Next circle is here. They literally have to come to us.
Yeah, well, let's just see how that goes. Looks like they're running around the back. I have 126 AR ammo.
Watch out. Yeah. I got 200 right here. Fuck. got me with a fucking stinking.
They're pushing up.
Oh my good lord, dude! I just fucking fell. You're fucking kidding me, dude.
They're pushing up on us hard right now.
Are they?
Yep.
I got mats coming out my ass, so that's cool, dude. I'm building a fucking platform and a half here. Oh boy, they're trying to take my shit out.
I'm right behind you. Where are they at?
Oh, they're right here. This
Where's
side.
here? Where's here?
Right here. Oh, they're fucking building machines, dude.
That's alright, I'm right above you.
Yeah, you see where they're at?
Yep.
Editing. Oh, oh my god. They're editing all kinds of shit. I have a fucking common tab.
Oh, they are fucking good, dude. They are super
Yeah,
good.
see that? Oh, fuck. I got me. Fuck, god damn it, dude. That was awful. This guy fucking got me, dude.
I have 8 health.
I'm sorry, man. He got
That's
me,
alright,
dude.
man. That's alright. I totally get it, dude.
He's right there. Oh,
Yeah.
Bounce pad. Damn. There are 2 of them or just 1? Oh my god, they're so. You gotta be fucking with me. It was 2v1v1. Did you know that? I didn't know that.